Capricorn, how are you doing? We are going to begin your reading, Capri. Today is the 23rd of May 2026. Remember, this is a general reading, so if something does not resonate with you, simply release it into the universe and let it go without resistance. Before anything else, Capricorn, this is my only channel dedicated to tarot for you, and I am only present on YouTube delivering these messages. Alright, let's begin. Good energies around you, Capri. There is a strong shift in the atmosphere as I connect with your energy tonight, something that feels different from the usual flow. Angels and archangels, what is coming for Capricorn? What is coming for Capricorn at this time? I am going to cut the deck into 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we place 3 cards on top of the deck. The first energies that come forward are the 7 of Pentacles, the 2 of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune. There is a very clear message here of waiting, planning, and a major turning point that is already in motion for you. I see you in a phase where you are expecting something to arrive so that you can finally let something else go. It feels like you are holding on to a decision, or waiting for the right opportunity to release something that no longer satisfies you. Even if at one point it brought you happiness, comfort, or emotional fulfillment, you are now sensing that its cycle is coming to an end. You are ready for change, even if part of you is still attached to what is familiar. There is also a strong energy here of something you have already offered or presented. You have put something on the table, an opportunity, an offer, a proposal, or even an emotional opening. And several people or situations have already responded, but none of them have truly matched what you are looking for. None of them have clicked with your expectations or your energy. But suddenly, Capricorn, there is someone new entering the scene. A different energy, more aligned, more precise, more fitting for what you truly need. This person or opportunity arrives unexpectedly, and it feels like the missing piece finally falls into place. Because of this, a form of agreement or deal gets sealed. Something becomes official. And in that process, you detach yourself from something old while simultaneously receiving something much better in return. This is exactly what you have been asking for on a deeper level, even if you were not fully aware of it. This could manifest in different ways in your physical reality. It could be a move, a relocation, a journey, or even a purchase or sale of something significant. It may also represent a business deal, a financial exchange, or a transition from one environment to another. Whatever the case, there is movement, closure, and renewal happening all at once. There is also a message here that someone could be at a distance from you. A person who is trying to resolve something in their life so they can finally move toward you or meet you halfway. There is a sense of anticipation, like something is being prepared behind the scenes so that a reunion or encounter can finally take place. Financially, Capricorn, there is a very strong emphasis. I see money, negotiations, or some kind of transaction that plays a major role in your next steps. You may be waiting for financial stability or approval before making a big decision, and that approval is closer than you think. You may also be looking for a new job or a new source of income, and I can see that something new is about to present itself. It has not fully appeared yet, but it is already on its way. And when it arrives, you will recognize it as the right opportunity, the one that brings more abundance and long-term stability into your life. If you are currently experiencing tension in a relationship, Capricorn, there is a very emotional energy around it. The person involved cannot stop thinking about you. They miss you deeply, even if pride or circumstances are creating distance between you. There is sadness, regret, and emotional heaviness on their side. If you are in a relationship, I see a strong connection, but also a disruption between two hearts that truly belong together. Both people think about each other constantly. Both feel the absence. Both miss the presence of the other. But there is something in between you, an obstacle, a barrier, or a misunderstanding, that is about to collapse. That barrier is reaching its limit. It is about to break, dissolve, or explode in a way that finally allows clarity and reconnection. And when that happens, there will be emotional release, honesty, and a return to balance between you and this person. This is a destined connection. Two people who already know each other, who already share emotional bonds, and who are meant to be united. Even if circumstances have created distance or confusion, the underlying bond is still alive and strong. Nothing has truly been broken at the soul level. After this shift, there is a sense of gratitude, emotional fulfillment, and relief. You will feel that things are finally aligning the way they were supposed to. I also see different zodiac influences around you, such as Taurus, Leo, Gemini, and water signs like Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. There is a strong movement of energy connected to these signs in your environment or your emotional journey. The Wheel of Fortune appears again in your energy field, confirming that a major change is unavoidable and already in motion. What is meant for you will arrive, and what is no longer aligned will naturally fall away. There is also a situation of workload or pressure, Capricorn. I see you carrying something very heavy emotionally or professionally. It could be a long-term project, a responsibility, or a commitment that has been draining your energy for some time. But the good news is that you are reaching the end of this cycle. You are about to complete this task, deliver it, or finally close it. And when you do, you will feel a deep sense of relief and accomplishment. Even though it has been stressful, the outcome will be positive. You will realize that all the effort was worth it. There will be a moment of celebration. A sense of, I did it. A recognition that you managed to overcome something demanding and now you can finally move forward without that weight on your shoulders. At the same time, I see a person around you who is emotionally unstable or unpredictable. Their mood changes very quickly. One moment they are calm and affectionate, and the next moment they become distant, irritated, or difficult to deal with. This energy feels exhausting and confusing. You have already started to distance yourself from this person, Capricorn. You have either stepped away or are in the process of stepping away. And even if they try to come back, you will maintain your boundaries. You will not allow yourself to be pulled into that unstable emotional cycle again. Your intuition is guiding you correctly here. This is not an energy that brings peace to your life. It is better to observe it from a distance rather than engage deeply with it. There is also a very strong message of justice and fairness coming through. Something that was unfair, deceptive, or misleading in the past is now shifting toward resolution. You may have experienced a situation where you lost something valuable due to dishonesty, misunderstanding, or betrayal. But now, Capricorn, a message is arriving. A communication, a notification, or news that brings emotional relief. This message represents victory. It represents correction. It represents balance being restored. What was lost is either being returned to you in some form or compensated in a way that restores your stability. There is a sense of karmic justice unfolding. Financially, I also see money arriving through legal matters, approvals, settlements, or delayed payments. This is money that comes through fairness, through resolution, or through something being officially recognized. When this money arrives, you will feel a strong urge to reward yourself. To finally buy something you have wanted for a long time. Something that represents comfort, satisfaction, or personal achievement. You will allow yourself to enjoy it without guilt, because you will feel that you earned it. There is also a protective energy around you at this time. An angelic presence guiding you toward clarity, new opportunities, and emotional balance. You are being encouraged to trust yourself more, to believe in your path, and to move forward without doubt or hesitation. Capricorn, you are entering a new phase where clarity replaces confusion, and direction replaces uncertainty. Even if things feel slow right now, everything is aligning in your favor behind the scenes. Finally, I see your guardian angel reminding you that you are stronger than you think. You are capable of moving through this transition with confidence. Do not underestimate your abilities or your destiny. Keep moving forward step by step, even if you cannot see the full path yet. What is meant for you is already approaching. And I will leave you here, Capri.